Tuesday, October 22nd. Just came up halfway up the Volcano Villarrica, but nothing's open. There's a couple more chairlift stations up there. I would have liked to have gone up there for the view, but there's a good view anyway. Cafe behind me, that's closed. All there is a couple of skiers, hiker, snowmobile in the distance. That's it. Apart from that, dead quiet up here. Reminds me of being on the sea, really. Where the trees end, the birds disappear. The sound of the birds disappear as well. Behind me is another volcano. Can't remember what that's called. Check it out later. Anyway, so that's it. I'm not going any further. It's taken me ages walking up that mile anyway, so I'm going to go back down, back on the bike, get a coffee somewhere and chill out. Meanwhile, that's the view from up here. It's not as clear as I expected, but yeah, still a good one. Just above the snow line.